Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Luciana. I come from Big A, 6th semester. Okay, I will do my material. Teaching, speaking, skill, traum, stimulating question, technique at the 11 years student of Man Palopo. Chapter 1, background is a most important thing in human being to deliver options, idea, and some information. And one of the problem when the student begin to speak in what to solve, the student begin to speak in how make discussion, problem statement, and problem statement relate to the issues but forward in the background. The writer formulate research question as follows. Um, how are the application of stimuli? Question of the improve the student or speak English. And next, objective of the research. The objective of the research are to know the way to improving the student to speak in English by stimulation and question. And next. Okay, chapter 2, review of literature. Speaking, theory of speaking. Speaking is special different for language learning because effective oral communication regulates by the ability to ask the language in social interaction. And the next. Okay, concept of stimulating question. Definition of stimulating question. With Oxford learn picket this dictionary, stimulate is somebody something to develop. Okay, chapter 3, method of research. Method of research. This research follow the principal working of classroom action. Research card the content of strategies. They are planning, implementation of action, observation, and reflection. Chapter 4, discussion. Okay, discussion. The first based on the analysis from the student active participant in the percentage is the research found some awareness in the observation active in learning process. And the second cycle, the cycle is provided from the first cycle. There are some in the teaching process from the first cycle. The research was required the awareness in the teaching in this cycle. The main percentage in this cycle is this case. The study had better achievement, and the research has to know that by develop the student speaking skill. Okay, chapter 5, conclusion. Stimulating question in improving student speaking skill at the 11th grade student of Man Palopo was effective based on the student active participation. And next, suggestion. Based of the conclusion about the research, path some suggestion of follow. Based of the conditions about the research, one of the effective technique to improve student speaking skill is stimulation question. I think that's all. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.